Hello and welcome to my channel Yella Toys. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. We are bringing some new kind of videos for you. This format is basically not new for you, but we are very excited to present these beautiful videos for you, and you will see the chain of videos every day. And we will request you to subscribe our channel and support us, that we will able to make daily basis videos. So our format is like this: we will make all our toys in mud, and then we will collect them, and then we will go to washing area and they will wash all these toys, and we will tell you the names and their most possible funny videos to you. So we are doing in some animals, in some gadgets, in some guns, in some vehicles, and a lots of things we will bring every day for you. So this is all about the introduction of this upcoming channel for you guys. So please subscribe the channel, and soon we will move to washing area to wash all these your favorite characters and your favorite guns and vehicle and animals as well. Here we go, we have completed, and now we are here in the washing area, and this is the most fun part for you and for us as well. So let's start with this Jeep. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. That's a police Jeep. That's a 4x4 beautiful police Jeep for you guys. Here we go.
I'm rough and tough. I serve well the army and police, sure enough.
Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have some dinosaur. Let's wash him. We have Brachiosaurus. Wow, that's a dinosaur, Brachiosaurus. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have again a dinosaur. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. Petronodon. This is the flying dinosaur Petranodon. Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have some construction vehicle. Let's wash him. Let's wash. We have the log handler. Log handler help us to cut the tree and handle the heavy timber. Log handler. Wow! Let's check out the next one, and the next one we have a wild animal. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Here we go. Tiger. Wow, that's an awesome big wildcat tiger. Here we go.
He's a nice tiger. He does not attack. His beautiful roar can be heard right till the back.
And the next one we have again a dinosaur. Let's wash him. Here we go. We have Tyrannosaurus Rex, the monster dinosaur. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we again have a gun. Let's wash him. Here we go. We have American Colt Series 70 1911 shotgun. And the next one we have again a construction machine. Let's wash him. Let's wash. Wow, this is so much fun. And we have shovel. A road shovel we have. That's a construction machine road shovel. Let's check out the next one. And the next one we have some animal. Let's wash him. Here we go, camel. The two horns, beautiful desert camel. Wow.
Alice the camel has 5 humps. Alice the camel has 5 humps. Alice the camel has...
Let's check out the next one. And the next one again we have some wild beast. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go, crocodile. Wow, that's the monster thing, crocodile. Let's check out the next one. And the next one again we have some beautiful farm animal. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have horse, the beautiful farm animal. Let's check out the next one. And the next one again we have a construction machine. Let's watch him. Let's watch. Here we go. We have a crane. Wow. Crane is a very beautiful and awesome construction machine. It helps us to lift heavy loads. Here we go.
Lift it high, lift it high, lift it high in the sky.
Let's check out the next one. That's a dinosaur. But which one is this? Let's watch him. Here we go, Brachiosaurus. That's a headed lizard, move with 2 legs, Brachiosaurus. Let's check out the next one. And we have a beautiful animal. Let's watch him. Watch. And here we go. Goat. Goat is a beautiful farm animal. Wow.
And the goat won't get out of there. Don't you gotta get out of there?
And let's check out the next one. And again we have a construction machine. Let's watch him. Here we go, dump truck. We have a beautiful dump truck, guys. Look at this beautiful machine and the color. Awesome.
When driving around the quarry, he's like no other lorry, dealing the dumper truck. You won't see him on an ordinary.
Let's check out the next one. And the next one again we have a big monster dinosaur. Let's watch him. Let's yalla. Here we go. We have Stegosaurus. Wow, just look at the size and shape of this beautiful dinosaur. Here we go. And in last we have again a gun. Let's watch him. Let's watch. And here we go. We have 10mm revolver. Wow, that's an awesome machine. 10mm revolver. Here we go, guys. This is it from today. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.